Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Spotify offline mode not work. For Spotify to work offline, you must have Spotify Premium. To make sure that your premium payments are going through and your premium is active, what you can do is simply head over to Play Store. Once you're here, tap on your profile at the bottom right of your screen and then tap on your profile icon at the top right of your screen. From here, you can scroll down and then tap on payments and subscriptions. Tap on subscriptions and make sure that your subscription for Spotify Premium is payment methods. Make sure that your payment methods are in check, or else you may have to change or add your payment method. The other thing that you can do is simply head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on Spotify. After that, hit storage and cache. After that, hit storage and cache, clear the cache of Spotify and try again. If that too does not work, simply head over to your app drawer, search for Spotify, long press on it, hit uninstall and reinstall it on your device. Sometimes if you have just brought Premium, it may take a while for Spotify to get loaded into Premium. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.